Hey guys, it's Austin with Best Buy Metals. Today, talking a little bit about the Watts Removal Crossover. Crossover can be used on metal roofing, metal siding. It's Sherwin-Williams approved, and you can remove all kinds of organic staining, growth, those type of things off of your metal roof or your metal siding. So today on this Craftsman board and batten that we actually have a little bit of staining on here of some red clay for where water's come off the roof, splashed on the ground, and just kind of splattered onto this panel. So we're going to go ahead and just spray some of this product directly on the panel, and we're going to give it just a second to sit on there. And you can see my brush right here, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of agitate the surface just a little bit to allow that product to get in and really work on this stain. You can see I am wearing some protective PPE just to protect ourselves here. And then we're going to come back in just a few minutes here with the pressure washer, and we'll go ahead and rinse this product off of the panel here and really show you what this product can do. So everything from individual wipes up to larger bottles, you can remove graffiti, stains, sap, organic buildup on your roof. It's all Sherwin-Williams tested and approved, so it's safe to use on your metal roofing, on your siding. Different categories of products here, a full kit if you want everything. And so any of our Best Buy Metals locations or online at bestbuymetals.com. Hurry now, it's going to be 15% off for a limited time.